Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon cheese fries in your air fryer. First, gather your ingredients: frozen French fries, your favorite bacon, and shredded cheddar cheese. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it preheats, cook your bacon until it's perfectly crispy, then set it aside to cool before crumbling it into small, bite-sized pieces. This initial prep ensures everything is ready for assembly. Now, let's get those fries perfectly crispy. Arrange a single layer of frozen French fries in your preheated air fryer basket. Avoid overcrowding to ensure even cooking. Cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to shake the basket halfway through the cooking time. This helps achieve that desirable golden brown color and satisfying crispiness. Once done, remove them and prepare for the next step. With your crispy fries ready, it's time to assemble our cheesy bacon masterpiece. Return about half of the cooked fries to the air fryer basket. Evenly sprinkle half of your crumbled bacon and a generous amount of shredded cheese over this first layer. Then, add the remaining fries, bacon, and cheese, creating a delicious double layer. Air fry for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Your air fryer bacon cheese fries are now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot, gooey fries to a serving plate. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some fresh chopped chives or a dollop of cool sour cream. These fries are perfect as a snack or a side dish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.